Hello, good day to you all. Today is going to be a much different session. Today we are going to discuss the practical aspects of what we have been discussing. So, right from the system software, that is your OS, there is a concept called as a device driver. Right. So, what is a device driver means? It is the software which will make your hardware talk. All right. Suppose say mouse. All right. Now mouse has an internal driver through which it actually works. Drivers are nothing but small programs. Device drivers will be in your kernel. All right. So in Windows PCs, where they will be located, they will be located in the device manager. Okay, you can go to the device manager by the following command into your run box. All right, dev mgmt.msc. Let's wait for a few seconds and then you will have it. All right, you can see here all of the devices. Okay, see disk drives and mice and other pointing devices. My touchpad also comes under this. All right, and literally every other device has a driver. Okay, suppose I want to disable my touchpad. How to do that? So in the driver option here, there are certain options here. Look, driver details. All right. If I click this, what it is going to give me is the version of the driver. All right. And the certificates attached to the driver. So the version is 19.2 something it is showing. And you must update your drivers constantly along with your operating system. This is very important because of cross compatibility issues. Some devices may stop working on newer operating systems until and unless you update the drivers. It is not going to work, right? And even updates can also cause a problem, right? In those cases, you will roll back the driver to the previous version. Okay. And suppose you want to disable the device for the time being meaning until you restart the device. Okay. Then you can easily disable the device. All right. Disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Okay. If you click on yes, until you boot up again, okay, the device will stop working. And also, I told you until next boot up, right? So these are there in the operating system itself. All right, the drivers are there in the operating system itself. Suppose you buy some joystick controller and you uninstall the device. Okay, here it is giving an uninstall device, but actually it is uninstalling the device driver. Okay, you have to reinstall in order to make your joystick work. All right, so that is it about device manager. And another important thing is your performance monitor, right? This is your task manager which you bring up by either typing Control, Alt and Delete, or Control, Shift and Escape in my case. All right. Now, if you go to the Performance tab here, you can see here that so many things are happening. Okay, it is giving you point-to-point details about your CPU. Okay, 60% is being utilized. All right, this is the speed 2.60 gigahertz. That means how many billions of instructions per second? 200 million, I suppose. All right. Then your memory. I'm on a 4 GB memory laptop train. All right. Okay. So then disk. Okay. And your Ethernet, that is the internet calculations, will also show up. Okay. For each NIC card, there is a separate statistical window here. All right. Since I put many virtual machines, there are different network interface cards available here. What are network interface cards? We are going to see it in the future. All right. If you open the resource monitor here, okay, yeah, this gives you a even greater deal of details. All right. See this particular process, how much CPU it utilizes, okay, how much percentage of CPU it utilizes, and how many threads are there in the CPU, I mean in the program, right? In the program, how many threads are there? So I have a quad core system. That means if 4 threads are there, it is utilized properly. If more than 4 threads are there, well and good. All right. Like that. You can see this has only 2 threads. That means it is not being utilized optimally. This is the CPU. Similarly for disk, network and memory as well, the same thing applies. All right. So here you can monitor your CPU utilization as well as your disk, memory and network utilization. Okay. And then we go into computer management, right? Yeah, this is it. Just waiting for the PC to load up, guys. Okay, look here, computer management. All right, so there is a disk management portion here. Okay, if you click on it, your hard disk, how many partitions are there, that many partitions will appear here. All right, so here you can either shrink your volumes, okay, or expand your volumes, okay. Volumes are nothing but logical groupings of space in your hard disk, right? Similarly, there are many system tools given here, okay. Observe here, there are many system tools such as task scheduler. If you want a batch script to run, task scheduler is the best option, okay. And there are also local and user groups, okay. You can create a user here also rather than in control panel. And device manager is also there, okay. Performance is also there, and your services and application area will contain your services. All right. What are services? They are background processes. What is a process? It is just a running program. That's it. Running time of a program is called as a process. Okay. So regarding all the things we have seen today, hope you practice it. Hope you come to know what it is. Right. That's it for today. Signing out.